Hey everyone, welcome back to Pro Auto Tips. If you're noticing issues with your car's cooling system, it could be your water pump. In today's video, we'll be diving into the symptoms of a bad water pump and how you can fix it yourself at home. Let's save some money and keep those engines cool. Ready? Let's get started. First off, what does a water pump do? Well, the water pump is the heart of your car's cooling system. It pumps coolant from the radiator to the engine, preventing it from overheating. Now let's discuss the symptoms of a bad water pump. 1. Overheating engine. Engine overheating is one of the most common signs of a bad water pump. If your temperature gauge is creeping into the red zone, or you're seeing steam coming from the hood, the water pump could be the culprit. The pump may not be circulating the coolant properly, leading to heat buildup. 2. Coolant leak. If you spot a puddle of coolant under your car, it's often a sign that the water pump seal is leaking. Coolant is usually bright green, pink, or orange, depending on the type, so it's easy to spot. 3. Whining or grinding noise. Hear a strange whining or grinding noise coming from the front of your engine? That could be a failing water pump bearing. When the bearing goes bad, it can create friction, which leads to noise and eventually total pump failure. 4. Steam coming from the radiator. Seeing steam coming from under the hood? That's your car crying for help. It could mean the water pump has completely failed and your engine is getting too hot. 5. Coolant temperature warning light. Many modern cars have a warning light for engine temperature or coolant levels. If the water pump is failing and not circulating coolant efficiently, the engine temperature will rise. The sensor detects the abnormal temperature and triggers the coolant temperature warning light. 6. Low coolant levels. If you keep refilling the coolant and it depletes quickly without any visible leaks, it could be leaking from the water pump, especially internally. 7. Rust or corrosion on the water pump. If you inspect the water pump and notice rust or corrosion around its surface, this is a sign that it's deteriorating. The presence of corrosion weakens the pump structure and can eventually cause further leakage or pump failure. All right, now let's talk about how to fix it. First, drain the coolant from the radiator. Next, remove the serpentine belt and any components blocking access to the water pump. Then, carefully remove the old water pump. Once you've removed the old one, it's time to install the new pump. Now, refill the system with fresh coolant. Finally, start the car and check for leaks or overheating. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.